Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Press. So let's start our current affairs of July 2nd, 2021 from today's importance. So on this day, it is celebrated as World UFO Day. World UFO Day is observed on 2nd July. It was founded by the UFO hunter Hatton Agdogan. The first World UFO Day was celebrated in 2001 and spread awarded among people to gaze at the heaven scanning for unidentified flying objects. And going to the current affairs, the first question is IPS C. Sailendra Babu of 1987 batch was appointed as DGP of which state? And the options are A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Kerala, and D. Karnataka. And the correct answer is B. Tamil Nadu. The second question is Aditi Ashok becomes first female Indian player of which sport to qualify for Tokyo Olympics? And the options are A. Golf, B. Running, C. Swimming, and D. Weightlifting. And the correct answer is A. Golf. She qualified in 45th place and is going to be play her second Olympics. She also participated in the 2016 edition in RIO Rio, where she finished at 41st position. And the third question is who becomes the most capped player of Argentina in football? And the options are A. Cristiano Ronaldo, B. Sunil Chetri, C. Lionel Messi, and D. Both A and C. And the correct answer is C. Lionel Messi. He scored 75 goals in 148 matches and becomes the most capped player of Argentina in football. And the fourth question is which of the following becomes fourth vaccine to get approval in India for emergency use? And the options are A. Sputnik V, B. Covaxin, C. 2DG drug, and D. Moderna. And the correct answer is D. Moderna. And the fifth question is who among the following was recommended by BCCI for Khel Ratna Award? And the options are A. Mithila Raj, B. R. Ashwin, C. KL Rahul, and D. Both A and B. And the correct answer is D. Both Mithila Raj and Ravichandran Ashwin was recommended by BCCI for Khel Ratna Award. And the sixth question is which state has announced a grant of 1.2 crores to the Olympic gold medalist? And the options are A. Tamil Nadu, B. Manipur, C. Assam, and D. Gujarat. And the correct answer is B. Manipur. And Manipur has announced a grant of 1 crore to the silver medalist Olympics and 75 lakhs to the bronze medalist. And the seventh question is LG Manoj Sinha unveils Hosla scheme for which of the following state? And the options are A. Manipur, B. Delhi, C. Goa, and D. Jammu and Kashmir. And the correct answer is D. Jammu and Kashmir. Hosla scheme is for Jammu and Kashmir's women entrepreneurs. It will support women entrepreneurs, those who want to start their new companies. And the eighth question is which of the following app is launched by the Government of India for farmers recently? And the options are A. Atmanirbhar Krishi, B. Kisan Vikas, C. Kisan Krishi, and D. None of the above. And the correct answer is A. Atmanirbhar Krishi. This app is available in 12 languages for free of cost to provide farmers with actionable agricultural insights and early weather alerts. And the ninth question is who becomes second Indian swimmer to qualify for Tokyo Olympics? And the options are A. Sanjan Prakash, B. Srihari Nataraj, C. Kailash, and D. Both A and B. And the correct answer is B. Srihari Nataraj. Tokyo Olympics will mark the first time where two Indian swimmers will take part. Sanjan Prakash is the first ever Indian swimmer to participate in Tokyo Olympics. And the 10th question is India's first biodiversity park, Bharat Vatiba, has been inaugurated in which of the following state? And the options are A. Kerala, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Uttarakhand, and D. Maharashtra. And the correct answer is C. Uttarakhand. And the 11th question is which of the following country started a construction of fifth nuclear power unit in Tamil Nadu? The options are A. Finland, B. China, C. Australia, and D. Russia. And the correct answer is D. Russia. Rosatom, a Russian company to construct Kundankulam plant in Tamil Nadu. This plant has 6 units, each having 1000 megawatts generation capacity. It is going to be India's first weight water reactor. And the 12th question is according to Global Cyber Security Index 2020 published by International Telecommunication Union, what is the India's rank? And the options are A. 10th rank, B. 17th rank, C. 37th rank, and D. 4th rank. And the correct answer is A. 10th rank. This is the 4th GCI edition released by International Telecommunication Union. India jumps 37 places to rank 10th in Global Cyber Security Index. First three countries are USA, UK and Saudi, and Estonia. And the one-liners today are Indian American Atul Kashyap appointed as US Ontorian envoy to India. Pakistan's former caretaker PM Mir Hazar Khaso passed away recently. Niti Aayog CEO Amitabh Kant's tenure extended till June 2022. PM Gramin Kalyan Anna Yojana extended for 5 more months from July to November. A newly discovered species of spider has been named as Ichthys tukarami. China was certified as malaria-free by WHO on June 30, 2021. Brazil suspends $324 million deal to buy Bharat Biotech's Covaxin from India. Department of Justice has launched an enforcing contracts portal. And thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay safe, stay home.